Michael. So as I told you, like we are going to start the new project, a mango wine, and this is going to be our biggest project so far. And today is Tuesday here, so we're gonna start the mango process wine. Actually, we don't have a light, so it's a lot of heat here. You know, like it's really hot weather. We have got so a lot of sweat. But anyways, these are the mangoes we have choose. These are like 7.5 kilogram mangoes. It's really like good mangoes, you know. The smell is fabulous and the taste is very sweet of these mangoes. So what we are going to do, we are going to peel them and we are going to cut the, like cut them into the cubes, and then we'll, start the process. And I'll meet you in a moment when we're done with the cutting of the mangoes. Hi. So we are we are in middle of the wine process, and now I just wanted to give you a quick view the final product, the moonshine. So these are two. Okay. So the chips you have sent us, the moonshine were in the chips for last couple of weeks, and now like today we are going to taste it, and I'll give you like the view like how it's gonna taste. Okay, so first we are going to start with this one. Okay, the main thing is like its smell is different and its smell is different. The both smells are different, but the both product is the same, and because of the aging process, you can see the difference in color and the difference in smell. It has a great smell, and I'm not sure about the taste right now because I'm going to just like start tasting it. Okay, so it's very strong alcohol, like I mean very strong alcohol. It has a like a unique type of flavor. It does burn when it goes inside, but it has a really like a unique smell and unique flavor, but it tastes great. Like the matter of fact, it tastes is great. And now I'm gonna go ahead and try this one. It has a different smell other than that. Like today we are sitting here and we are drinking the moonshine, the pure product, pure quality moonshine, just because of Michael. And thank you, so we never can like thank you enough that you have done us such a great effort for us. Like we like the country we live in, we don't have such kind of facilities. We weren't able to find the good yeast for our product. So this is just because of you, Michael. So you send us a care package to us, and now we are able to drink a good quality moonshine, and we can make our own moonshine. We can make our own wine, and like that's a just fantastic thing that we ever achieved. Like, I love you, Michael. Thank you so much for this, man. And I can't even say like thank you enough for this. Telephone just died, like the battery problem, and I'm not able to make. And now I was unable to continue the video. I'm kind of drunk. Uh, so I just asked my brother, Mr. Satar, to give me his cell phone so I can continue with the video. And I'm sorry about that. So I was telling you about this stuff. Like this is a great achievement, one of the best products that we ever got. and just because of Michael, so he teach us, he like spend a lot of time on us to teaching us and giving the answer of my every stupid and silly question. Like I really appreciate that guy. Like I have met thousands of guys on the internet on daily basis, but like Michael is a great person. Honestly, not because of his, like doing that kind of stuff for us. Not, I'm not buttering Michael at all, but just telling a fact that he's, like a great guy. He wants to help people that he don't even know about them. So like he spent money to sending us the care package, and like that means a lot in this kind of like world where we are living. We are not even able to like help the person that we know, and he helped us, and he even doesn't know us. So I like I really appreciate Michael. Thank you for doing all this. And today we are in the process of making the making the wine, and I'm like I took two shots, one this and one that. Like I'm kind of drunk right now. I'm laughing for no reason. I'm laughing for no reason. I'm kind of drunk, but this is all like because of Michael. We really thank you, Michael. And here's my brother, Mr. Sitar. He just wanted to also say you thank you.
Thank you, Michael. Thank you. Thank you very much. A great man, and thank you very much. Very, very much.
So he's my partner in in these experiments, and we guys are like been working together on our wine and moonshine since like 2013, and it's like 2015, and now we are getting some results after like hard work of about 2 years. Now we are able to get some results. So like this is a great achievement, and I'm drunk. this is this stuff is very powerful. I'm telling you, this stuff is very powerful. I- And if you will just take about like 3 to 4 shots, you are done, man. You will fly on 3,000 feet high. You are done. So, like, thank you, Michael. And one more thing, like, we are in the middle of the process in wine, and we just peeled our mangoes out, and now we are going to, like, start another process, and I'll meet you in the moment. Hi. So, it's been 20 minutes that we are drinking, and it's almost my, like, fifth or sixth shot, and I don't know what I'm saying. I'm so high. I'm completely drunk right now, and still now I have to do a lot of work. I have to complete my wine process, but I'm drinking this, and like we are drinking here, and we were talking about Michael, like the man who like make us able to drink that kind of stuff. Like me and my cousin were having a conversation that we have drink a lot of alcohol in our life, but we never were able to like reach on that kind of level that we are right now. I'm so drunk, and like the smell and the taste of this thing is like, I'm sorry, this thing is just awesome. I love this. And we are so much drink. Okay, and one more thing, Michael, I just want to tell you that my cousin, Mr. Satar, he's my friend and my cousin too. He, like, because the thing is that English is our not first language. Okay, we don't learn English. We just learn English just to communicate with the people. So it's like not necessary in our country. So I just can't speak English because like to communicate with the other people, just a little bit. I don't have a really good command on English, but my cousin is like he can't speak English very well, but he just wanted to say thanks to you. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to, like turn this camera over to my cousin, and he wanted to say thanks to you in his own words.
Cheers, Michael. Cheers, Michael. I thank you very much. And it tasted good and good alcohol. And thank you, you my teacher. You are my teacher. And thanks to great man. You are great man. I thank you very much. And thank you very much. Oh well, yes, delicious and good taste and very good alcohol.
Okay, so he was my cousin, Mr. Satar. Now this is our last shot, and we're not gonna drink anymore because we are just completely done. We are just completely drunk, and still we have to do. Let me show you one thing. It's you can see like there's a lot of mangoes in this bucket, about like 5 to 6 kgs mangoes filled in this bucket. So we are gonna make the wine, and we'll come back with the process as we will start the wine. So we just like start drinking the alcohol, and we are kind of drunk. And seriously, I swear I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just completely out of my mind. So let us just finish this product, and we'll come back with another